Okay, how's it going, guys? I want to show you how to do Gmail desktop on your phone, how to be able to delete all your Gmail messages all in one go from your phone, or organize a mass amount of your emails all in one go. And I want to show you how to do a hyperlink inserts from your phone to a Gmail message so that you can show PDF documents, map, greeting card, or image, or whatever you will share a YouTube video, something like that, in just a simple word. So what we're going to do is first look at what's happening on the phone, what's going wrong, and then we're going to make it right. So when we open Gmail from the phone, the app, we got our email, we got so many options, and it's just really lightweight, and it works quick, and it's just for simple relay messages. When you go to send a message to somebody, you got a subject, and then when you compose something, it's just going to be your text letters, and you don't have all the options that the desktop site does. Just for ease of access and simple relays, a lightweight version of Gmail. Now, what we want is all those options because we're doing extra things and we need to be able to communicate a little bit more efficiently. So when we go to our search engine and we want to look at the wrong thing to search for. If we just search for Gmail and we zoom in on our uh, formal address is not there. We got uh, https google.com forward Gmail about. We got accounts google.com, Google Play, and there's just nothing there to bring you to your formal email address, and that's because we're searching it wrong. So what we'll do is we'll go back, and what we want to type in is Mail Google or Google Mail, either or. And when we type in Google Mail on the search engine, it brings us to our formal mailing address, which is https uh, was it colon forward slash mail dot google dot com. Now we want to click into that, but due to privacy, when I click into it, it goes to my other email. So I have my email pulled up. So you click on that, and it brings you to mail dot google dot com, and that's your formal Gmail. Now, what's cool is, say I wanted to delete, uh, all my messages. I can just click the check all box at the top corner here now, and just click the trash can right here, and it's going to delete everything. Or say, I didn't want to delete everything. You want to keep some of it. You can click this, and then pick the ones that you want to keep and delete everything else in the sheets really quick and efficiently to uh, delete those emails, and then you'd hit the delete. Or you could archive them, save them, do what you will with them. But I wanted to show you that it's that simple once you get to here. Now, how do I get this without having to search that in the search bar every time? Well, if you click the ellipsis, which is the three dots over here, and you click add to home screen, and you just click add, and add automatically, now you have a app icon on your home screen on your phone that's going to be right here. So when I click it, it's going to bring us up. But as you can see, my one email has 14,000 emails, and it's a privacy issue. So I'm just going to drop that one out. Now, let's see what else we can do. Okay, so now we're a little bit more organized. We can delete all of our emails and sort out the ones that we want to keep, which is major step that we wanted to figure out on our phone. Now, when we go to composition, we can do more things, but you have to pinch your fingers and kind of zoom in and out. And, you know, what is it? You have to kind of get in there a little bit better. And now you can, let's dismiss that. Now you can click the email here and type in your address, which is, and we can put in our subject, hyperlink test. Now, say you're going through and you just want, you want to share like a card or something, like there's or a GIF or an image of a GIF, or you want to share a map. If you have a picture in your Google browser, we can go find one real quick. Let's say, what is it? Let's just do a thank you. We go to thank you and say we find the images. We have all these images. So we had a little technical glitch, but say we search the image. What is it? Thank you, royalty free. You go to your images and you click on the image and it'll come up over here in your preview. Now if you click and hold on it, if you go to preview image, you have this preview window. You can open it all the way up, and at the very top of the bar you can copy that image link. So let's go over that again. We're back here. We press and hold on the middle of the image. We press preview image. We open the window full and we go to the search bar and we copy that link. Now, if we go to a new window, we take that link that we copied, link you copied, it brings you straight to that image, whether it be a map, whether that link be a PDF. I just showed you how to do images, but it'll bring you right through there. So when you got that image link, you're going to make sure that you got it copied, and you're going to go back to your Gmail, and when you go to your composition here, you go to compose. I'm going to send it to me. Hyperlink test. Okay, now we're in the composition. Now, because we're in the desktop site, we have all these bottom row options down here. You got the send button, the underline for your letters, you got to add an attachment, and you have your link button. So you can say, the text display, this is good. And you'll take that link that you copied and you'll paste it in there and you'll press OK. And I'll send that to myself, and we're going to refresh this. We just did a hyperlink test. It's right here. We're going to click on our email. And now when I press this is good, it's going to bring me to that image. Or your PDF document, your map, greeting card, whatever that may be. And I just want to show that to you. It's real simple and easy. We got a link there so that we can always get to our desktop version of Gmail. Just remember to search for Google Mail or Mail Google and not Gmail when you go to your search engine. And everything should be fine. You should be good. Let's see. Let's just say 1 plus 1 equals 2. Cool. Plus 5 equals 7. All right. Awesome. Let's exit out and get this uploaded so you guys know what to do.